Ballet dictionary adage. In ballet, adage is a French word derived from the Italian adage, meaning at ease or leisure. A series of exercises following the center practice in ballet. Most times it consists of a seesaw of slow and graceful movements, which may be simple or most of complex character, perform with fluency and appear at ease. These exercises develop a sustaining power. Dancers get a sense of line, balance, and beautiful poise, which in enables the dancers to perform with majesty and grace. The principal steps of adage are pliés, développés, grands, fouettes, intonants, dégagés, grand rond de jambes, and rond de jambe in l'air. Coupés, battements, tendus, attitudes, arabesques, preparations for pirouettes and all types of pirouettes. The opening selection of a classical pas de deux, in which a ballerina assisted by her partner performs a slow movement, and envelopes in which the dancer lifts, supporting, or carries the dancer. The dancer supports her grace, showing lines and perfect balance while executing developpés, pirouettes, arabesques, and so on. And then achieve combinations of ballet steps, the ballet pose which would be most likely impossible without the aid of her partner. For more information about ballet, visit jacklyndougherty.com. Much love, Jacklyn Dougherty and Dr. Joni Dougherty.